Hello children, welcome to your English class. In today's English class, we are going to see an interesting as well as a surprising poem. Surprising, yes. So when you read this poem, you came to know what is meant by that surprising. So you have to take page number 90, that is unit 6. So we'll start our poem now. First, before moving into this poem, so I want to ask you certain questions. So here you can find this word mischief. Okay, mischief is nothing but troubling someone by doing some funny activity, or we used to do some naughty things, right? So that is mischief. So we can say this as mischievous activity. So I want to ask you one question. So you all done any mischievous activity? Yes. So that is a naughty thing which will trouble someone. Hope you all done this. So we'll do some mischievous activity. So with that your parents will get tensed, or maybe they will beat you. So all this thing will happen. So you will do some mischievous activities with your siblings or cousins, whomever. So the same thing is going to happen in this poem. Okay, so we'll read the lines one by one, then you come to know so what is this poem is all about. So first we'll move with the title. The title of the poem is Mr. Nobody. So what does mean by nobody? Nobody is nothing. Okay, so we can't identify a person, we can't see the person face, or there is no proof for that person. So that is known as nobody. So here they are giving a respect to that person by mentioning Mr. Okay, Mr. So if a person is a male, so we'll use Mr. If the person is a female, we use Miss. So with this title we came to know that this person is a masculine or male. So they are using Mr. Nobody. Nobody means nobody is there. Okay, just an assumption. Yes. So we'll move into the lines of the poem. Okay, listen. I know a funny little man. So the poet is describing about a person. I know a funny little man. So here they have given a picture of a little man. So funny means we all do funny activities. Okay, so comic things is known as funny. So I know a funny little man. So the poet knows a funny little man. So he used to do comic things. Okay, little means tiny. Okay, little man. Okay, here the man represent Mr. Okay, I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse. So here they are comparing the quietness. Quiet means calm. Okay, as quiet as a mouse. Quiet means calm. Okay, not doing any noise, not making any noise. So as quiet as a mouse. So they are comparing the quietness with the tiny mouse. Okay, who does the mischief that is done. So as I told you, so this little man will do certain mischief action. So mischief means troubling someone, as I already told you. So who does the mischief that is done. Okay, so this little person will do all the mischievous action in nobody's house. So in nobody's house, there is no one ever sees his face. So in nobody's house, no one has ever seen this person. Okay, so that's why they are giving the title as Mr. Nobody. So in nobody's house, no one ever seen that person face. And yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked. So we all agree, we all accept that every plate we break means okay, so spoiling the plate or breaking it into pieces. So that is the thing, that every plate we break was cracked means broken partially. Okay, so here you can see the picture of cracked, break, everything. So we all agree, we all accept that every plate we break was cracked. So this was done by Mr. Nobody. So he is the one who break all the plates in our house. Okay, can you guess who is that person? That Mr. Nobody, I guess he may be a tiny animal. So I will give you clue that this answer is hidden in line 2. So that is mouse. I guess this Mr. Nobody may be a mouse. Okay, so listen. So now you know the answer. So you guess the answer may be mouse. Now you just compare the answer with this line. Okay, I know a funny little man. I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse. So usually the mouse will be very quiet. Okay, who does the mischief that is done? Mischief. Mouse will usually tend to make certain troublesome activity. Okay, tearing the paper or eating the bags, eating snacks, all these things. All this will come under mischievous action. In everybody's house, there is no one ever sees his face. So we can't see mouse face because it will run so faster. So we can't see a mouse face. And yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. So mouse will do this action, right? So it will break the plates. Okay, while running very fast in our kitchen, there may be a situation, so it can break the plates. Okay, so here they have given certain new words like quiet. Quiet means calm. Okay, quiet means calm. Mischief, troubling someone. Everybody means everyone. Agree, accept, nobody, nothing. Okay, no one, no proof is there. Okay, nobody. So that is the thing which they have given in this poem. Kindly go through the lines, read the lines properly. So we'll move into the lines, which is very important, children, and in the next class we are going to read the lines with the meanings. Okay, so and we are moving into the exercise. Take page number 91. The last day I have given you this homework. Okay, sometimes you want to look and find things for yourself. Tick those that you did. Tell your friends about that. So sometimes we have to do certain things. So tick that. So here they have given 4 pictures in page number 91. So what are they? So you have to observe the picture and read the thing, and if you have that habit, you have to put a tick mark. Okay, listen. I tried to see why the clock ticked. Okay, so usually the clock will make a tick tick sound or tick tock sound. Okay, so I tried to see why the clock ticked. If you have this habit, of seeing the clock sound, put a tick mark. Okay, take your pencil and put a tick mark over here. And next question is, I went out of the house at night to see the stars. I hope you all like stars. Yes? So, if you have the habit of seeing the stars at night, okay, take your pencil and put a tick mark over here. And next, I climbed a tree to look into a nest. If you know to climb a tree means, so if you have the habit of climbing a tree to look into a nest means, put a tick mark or else put a cross mark. Okay. The fourth one is, I climbed on a stool to find biscuits. So obviously you all do this thing. Yes. So in order to search your snacks, so you will climb on a stool or chair. So you'll find that snacks or biscuits, whatever it may be. If you do that thing means put a tick mark, okay, or else put a cross mark. So that's the thing. So you have to complete this exercise as well as kindly go through the lines which is given in this poem with the meanings. Okay, so that's very important. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, children.